Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off sharing location on iPhone. If you're using the iPhone and you want to turn off your sharing location using Find My, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in settings just tap under your Apple ID, and here just select Find My. Now you have two different ways. The very first way, you can disable your whole iPhone location to disable your sharing location. Or you can also try to disable only this toggle which is share my location. So it will disable your find my to use your location. Or you can also try to use this my location option, and here this will add privacy and security, select location services, and you can directly disable your location services from this toggle. So using these ways, you can easily disable or turn off your sharing location. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.